Hey guys, this is Dustin Van Dyke from Palmer Law Group in Topeka, Kansas. Here today to talk a little bit about what damages are compensable in a potential personal injury action. Oftentimes folks will call us after an automobile accident or a dog bite or any type of accident or something involving the negligence of another and say, what can I potentially collect from the person who injured me or their insurance carrier? So in personal injury actions in the state of Kansas, there are essentially three categories of damages that are the primary driving force behind the damages in any potential personal injury claim. And those are the medical expenses that you've incurred as a result of the accident, and any potential future medical expenses which you can prove are more likely than not to be incurred, any lost wages that you've incurred to date, or any future lost wages that likewise you can prove are more likely than not to be incurred, and your past and future pain and suffering from the collision. Pain and suffering is kind of the colloquial, they're technically called non-economic damages under the law. One important thing to note is that up until 2019, our state had a cap on non-economic damages and personal injury actions. In the Hilburn v. Enerpipe case, the Kansas Supreme Court overturned the cap on pain and suffering or non-economic damages in the state of Kansas. As of the date of this video, no other cap has been imposed, and there is therefore no cap on what can be collected in pain and suffering in the state of Kansas. And that's all, of course, subject to the severity of the injuries that one sustains. But that is something that has been helpful in advocating for injured Kansans, especially those very severely injured, and obtaining compensation that they deserve following their accidents. If you have any additional questions about compensable damages, in your personal injury action, feel free to call us or contact us on the web at kansasinjurylaw.com. And as always, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Only a conversation with a qualified Kansas attorney can do so. Thank you.